Wait, don't scroll. If you want your makeup to look like this glam without using a million products, you need to see this video. Hi guys, I'm Neha and today I'm gonna show you step by step how I created this gorgeous glowy glam look using just a few products. It's super easy, wearable and simple. Wait until you see the final transformation. So stay tuned with me. Let's quickly dive into the video. And here's the final look guys. I absolutely love how soft and glamorous it turned out, and I hope you really enjoyed creating this look with me. Thank you so much for watching and spending time with me. बहुत ही motivation मिलती है and it really means a lot. If you genuinely enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe and like button for more beauty content. And if you have any query regarding to any product or any technique I used in this video, below, and also tell me what kind of makeup video you want to see on my channel. I will definitely make it for you guys. And thank you once again for watching. Keep supporting and keep loving, keep glowing, and I'll see you in my next video.